Turn the bottom plate up, then flip over. Fix it with screws. Turn the shaft down and put on the main board. Fix the screws again. If the door frame gap is a little larger, then we could add an extender unit. Put on the pull kit and fix the screws. Put the lever slide rail on and fix screws. Then put the slide rail shell on. Put on the locator, and install the side cover. Then open the door to 90 degrees. Fix well the locator. Then connect the wire. Put on case 2. Power on. This is the installation, the automatic door operator. Push arm demo. Pull arm and push arm are only different accessories, while installation method is the same. The push arm comes with extender. When the door width and door gap are too small, you can add this component. Now install the push arm and tighten the screws. Then install the other end of the push arm. Open the door 90 degrees and tighten the screws. Power on. Then just cover the outer case. This is the installation, the automatic door operator.